Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about my experience with the Duolingo app. What are my advices to people starting out? What are my advices to people that have already started? So a little introduction of myself. I am a Spanish teacher. I'm currently studying to become a polyglot. I currently speak Spanish, that's my main language, English, Portuguese, and Norwegian. I am also studying German, some Italian, some French. I'm passionate about language learning. So welcome to this video. So I have been doing Duolingo for 6 years now. I have a streak of 2,127 days. You can see it here. I have also been learning 12 languages, but I'm only fluent in 4 of them. Norwegian, English, Portuguese, and Spanish. The language I have been learning is Norwegian, Swedish, Portuguese, German, Polish, Dutch, English, French, Spanish, Italian, Russian, and Finnish. What I like about Duolingo is it's a productivity game. It's not like a learning app, it's a productivity game, and I really enjoy it. You compete with friends and learn languages. Now that I have shown you my statistics, let's get to the real deal. The big question, does Duolingo really works? The short answer is yes, Duolingo really works, but it's going to depend a lot on your effort. See, Duolingo is a resource, so listening some music, reading a book, watching a Netflix, a movie is a resource of a language learning resource. So what Duolingo really does, it creates a habit. So you cannot dedicate all your effort using only one resource. You have to be using the resource of Duolingo app. You have to be using the resource of listening to some music. You have to be reading books. You have to be using a lot of resources to properly learn a language. You cannot concentrate all your efforts in the same app because it's going to take longer. You can really learn a language with Duolingo, but it's going to take longer if you only use that resource. If you're starting out with the app or have been using it for a while, this is how I do it. I do one lesson in the morning, one in the afternoon, and one at night. You have to figure out when you have more time to use the app. Maybe you can pause social media and do a lesson. It's a way to stay productive. What you have to do is do lessons to learn vocabulary, complete units, and finish the tree. Don't focus on doing practice lessons or events to gain more X. Do this later. Focus on acquiring new words. After you have made enough progress, you can do lessons to practice what you have already learned. To end this video, I'm going to speak a little in those 12 languages. I don't speak them all fluently, but it's interesting to have learned phrases and sentences in 12 languages. First one, Norwegian. Hei, jeg heter Alvaro. Jeg elsker Norge. Norge er et vakkert land og har mange vakre natur. Ja, jeg elsker Norge. Swedish. Hei, jeg taler svenska. Ja, jeg elsker Sverige. Português. Olá a todos, como estão vocês? Eu gosto muito da língua portuguesa, é uma língua muito linda. Eu aprendi há muitos anos. Gosto muito de praticar português no Duolingo. German is really hard, but I'm going to try. Hallo, wie geht's? Ich heiße Alvaro, ich komme aus Venezuela. Ich mag diese Sprache. Es ist wirklich sehr schwer. Polish, difficult as well. Cześć, jak się masz? Przepraszam, ja mówię po polsku. Do widzenia. Dutch. Ik spreek een beetje Nederlands. English as well. All this video has been in English, so I really like this. This is my first language I learned as a kid, so I really like English. French. Je parle un peu de français, cette langue est trop difficile, mais pourtant, parler la langue française est une chose très belle. Español es mi idioma nativo, me gusta mucho el idioma espagnolo con accento venezuelano. Italiano, io parlo un po' di italiano, questa lingua è veramente bellissima, parlare la lingua italiana è una cosa molto molto bellissima. Russian, Russian. Привет, как дела? Я говорю по-русски. Finnish is the hardest one, so in Finnish is tervetuloa. Kuka sinä olet? Minä olet Alvaro. This is all for this video, so goodbye to you all. Thanks for watching.